Do not enter niet instappen. We are going to create one coroutine that is a representation of a train station. With that coroutine, which is created by the default dispatcher, we're going to create two other coroutines. These nested coroutines represent trains. Train A is going to be created using the standard coroutine scope. Train B is going to be created using the supervisor scope. We are going to play a bit of a bad actor here. We're going to get into the train in spite of the warning sign. If we get into train A, the train operations will be cancelled, but the train station operations will also be cancelled. Because using the standard coroutine scope will trigger the cancellation of the parent job.